This video is about how to interact with Google Classroom once you've logged in. So this is Google Classroom, and if you're having troubles logging in or not sure, there's a video on that and how to troubleshoot any problems. So once you've logged in, this is how your screen should look, lots and lots of boxes. I've done a video of what it looks like if there's a problem with your Google Classroom, so please have a look at that. But otherwise, you should have lots and lots of these different colored boxes, and each of these boxes represent a different subject or a different class, so art, biology, maths, and so on. And if you notice some are missing, then contact your school, and then they'll pop up on your screen eventually like this, and you just accept it to be allowed into that classroom. So I just want to show you this feature here, to do, which is quite a nice feature. So whether you're doing homework or homeschooling, the to-do list is quite a nice feature. So I'll just collapse that. You're seeing these in sort of date order. So you're obviously going to want to do anything that's due this week and then work on anything that's due next week. Now this only works if your teacher or whoever has set up the work with the correct date, but it's always worth a check because it means you don't have to search for work. It's all just there. So that's the to-do list. I would always back that up by going into an actual class. So you think, well, I'm sure I'm meant to have computer science. So you can go into the computer science class and then you can have a look at Classwork, which is here. Now, while we're here, I just want to introduce you to the stream. The stream is a really nice place to talk to people in your class or your teacher. So you click on this box in the middle here and you say, I'm stuck on question 3, help, right? And then you click post, and all of your classmates or class friends or whoever and your teacher will see your comments. And it's a really good place to just answer people's questions and help each other out. If you post anything that's a bit rude or nonsense, then again your teacher and your classmates will see it, and so that's probably a bad idea. So that's the stream. It's a good place to see what's posted in terms of work and also to help each other out. Classwork is up here. You click on Classwork and guess what? It shows you all the work that's due or has been set, whether it's homework or homeschooling. So I'd always be checking the side here to see if there's anything new as well. And that's it. Those are the sort of main parts of Google Classroom, the to-do list and all the individual classes.